man, about half an hour ago there was maybe a jackal or a fox coming towards me. Maybe he smelled some of my delicious food. And Rocco is, kind of home dog compared to like Max. Max is like a real mountain dog with all of his experience in smelling wolves and stuff like that. So this guy is more like a house dog. He doesn't have that much experience. But he was laying down here sleeping. I thought that he would not have any reaction, but he actually woke up. He was looking like that. And when the jackal or whatever it was came a little bit closer, he started barking, and I said like, go attack, and he went running over there, and I ran after him with my knife out. So not on the steep hill, but when I went down, I took my knife out to maybe get a new coat for myself for winter, but we weren't able to see him. Of course he ran away. But that was very good. And very fun experience, and it would be even better if I could manage to film it, but that's it. But no worries, I'm sure we will be able to film even better stuff. Yesterday when we started building this renovation of this cigarette shelter, I actually heard 2 or 3 jackals barking. If you have heard jackals and if you know their sounds, you know that you won't be able to mistake them. So that was pretty good experience. I know there are a lot of jackals in this area. I think it was 3 or maybe 2 or 2.5 something years ago. I was close to this place, and I was filming a video overnight in a tent. I will also link it down in the description, and the jackal came in like 20 or 30 meters next to me. I mentioned that in the video, but the bad thing was that I didn't have any dogs with me. I didn't have a gun, so it was just me and my ex. So I hope they didn't come at me, but now I really hope they came at me, because I really want that coat for winter. As you see with the camo net, it is very low profile. After putting a few leaves on it, it is practically impossible to spot from distance. Now this side of the roof is almost finished. I will put about the same amount which we have put on it, so that it is like this high, so that when some snow comes, I don't think there will be a lot of snow here, because this is next to the city, but after a few rain and stuff like that, it will compress down and it will become really waterproof. Next time we will finish making the roof. We will cover it with this camo net, camouflage net, so that it is still low profile and it doesn't lose its secret. And also I will I just laid these logs as a kind of wall to take some cool pictures, but in next time we will finish that wall as well. And also then what will be left to do, I will have to dig it a little bit deeper on the deep as the bed which we made here is, and on top of that I will make a flexible and on top of that I will make a flexible Morse Kochanski style bed. Speaking of Morse Kochanski, rest in peace. He was truly one of my role models. I didn't thought I would talk about it now, but since I mentioned it, I realized, if you don't know, Morse Kochanski passed away just like a week or so ago. It was very sad, because I thought I really wanted to take one of his courses, and I really wanted to meet him in his life, because I have a few books of him and I just enjoyed his work very much, and I'm sure his work will be appreciated for years to come, and it will raise many generations. So I will continue eating now, and I think that will be it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. All of the important links will be down in the description. For example, the gear I use, the axe, knife, also links to my Etsy shop, where I make and post custom knives, custom ferro rods, some high-end ferro rods and stuff like that, and also some leather items. So all of that you can check out in the description below. Rocco over here is getting used to the woods pretty much, and of course I'm enjoying it very much. I'm very happy because I just received an email. It is bad coverage here, but still, in once every half hour or an hour you can catch some signal. And I just received an email for the first person of the first giveaway. If you don't know, the winner of the giveaway was not contacting me and was not coming back, and I don't know. I was afraid that he would not see it, but thank God he saw it. He contacted me now, so when I get back to the city, maybe tomorrow or day after, I will contact him back and we will meet and he will receive all of his gifts. And by the way, Merry Christmas to all of you guys and a Happy New Year. This year was great for me, for the channel. Of course, it was the best because I bought the car, and I hope that 2020 will bring even better adventures, and I hope that I will be able to make even better videos. I think that will be all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below. I love to respond to your comments. I love to hear about you guys. Thank you again everyone, and may God bless you. Bye.